I'm Adam. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. I come down here to Dallas. I've had I've had issues with my teeth for years of neglect, turning my back, thinking it'll all go away, but it never did, and hiding my mouth. And finally I thought it was time before I started having health problems or other worse, you get worse and spending more money. So I actually looked at the All-on-4 program, which sounded interesting to me, but I didn't like having a prosthetic that was almost like false teeth that I had to carry around for 6 months and wait for everything to heal. And I stumbled across the Golpa, and the original one I seen in Vegas, and then I found out that there was one in Dallas. And I called both places, and I could get into Dallas a lot easier, and so I chose to come to Dallas and have a consultation and see what I was really up against. And I got here. Everybody's been nice from the start, from Gina to Dr. Anderson to everybody here has been more than accommodating and more than willing to help out. It's a class act, and it's probably the best thing I've ever done, next to seeing my boys born. So I'm appreciative to everybody that's helped me. They take the time to walk you through it. You know exactly what you're getting into. There's no pressure, and when you walk out with a brand new smile. So I thank everybody here. It's the best thing I ever did.